warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my English class. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about how to make a paper lantern. Now, I will guide you to make it. The first thing that you have to do is prepare all the materials. Here they are. The stapler, the scissors, and also a paper card. Now, the first step is you have to cut this paper around 2 centimeters to make a handle, like this. Okay, after that, you have to fold this paper into two. Okay, like this. And then after that, cut the paper from this side until this side, and like this. Okay, and then open the card. Open the paper, yeah, like this. Then you have to blend these sides and these sides, like this. Okay, you may stick the paper with the stapler or the glue. After that, you may make the handle like this and like this. So, our paper lantern is ready.